The Aipas M1 Pro electric bike is a game-changer in the world of electric bicycles, especially for those who crave power and versatility for their commuting or recreational needs. Sporting an impressive 1800W peak motor, this bike promises not only a thrilling ride but also the capability to tackle diverse terrains with ease. After putting the Aipas M1 Pro through its paces, it's clear that this bike is designed to deliver on its promises, making it an excellent option for both casual riders and serious enthusiasts alike. Starting with the design, the Aipas M1 Pro features a robust aluminum alloy frame that balances sturdiness and lightweight attributes. This makes it ideal for users who need a durable bike without the added burden of excessive weight. The bike's aesthetic is modern and sleek, with a clean finish that is visually appealing and comes in various color options. The integrated battery is discreetly housed within the frame, which not only enhances the bike's look but also contributes to a lower center of gravity, improving stability during rides. One of the standout features of the Aipas M1 Pro is its powerful 1800W peak motor. This motor provides impressive acceleration and allows the bike to reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour on flat terrain. For urban commuters, this means quick trips to work or school without breaking a sweat. The motor is also quiet, which is a big plus for those who prefer a peaceful ride. The bike is equipped with a 48V17 lithium-ion battery that promises a significant range. Depending on the mode you choose, eco, normal, or sport, riders can expect a range of approximately 30 to 50 miles per charge. This versatility in power settings means you can conserve battery life during leisurely rides or opt for full power when you need that extra boost. The bicycle comes equipped with a 7-speed Shimano transmission system, allowing users to switch gears effortlessly. This is particularly useful when tackling inclines or adjusting to varying terrain. The combination of the powerful motor and the gearing system provides a seamless riding experience, whether you're climbing hills or cruising on flat roads. The front suspension fork also plays a significant role in absorbing shocks, making it suitable for both urban environments and light off-road adventures. Braking is another crucial aspect where the Aipas M1 Pro excels. It features front and rear dual hydraulic disc brakes, which provide exceptional stopping power and responsiveness. This is particularly important for safety, especially when traveling at higher speeds. The braking system instills confidence in the rider, enhancing the overall riding experience. Comfort has also been a priority in the design of the Aipas M1 Pro. The bike is fitted with a wide, cushioned saddle that is adjustable to accommodate different rider heights. The handlebars are ergonomically designed to provide a natural grip, reducing fatigue during long rides. Additionally, the bike comes with a set of puncture-resistant tires, which not only improve traction but also ensure a smoother ride over various surfaces. When it comes to technology, the Aipas M1 Pro does not disappoint. The bike is equipped with an LCD display that provides real-time feedback on speed, battery life, and distance traveled. This feature is a fantastic addition for tech-savvy riders who love to keep track of their performance. Moreover, the bike is compatible with a mobile app that allows for further customization and tracking, enhancing the overall riding experience. However, it's worth mentioning a couple of minor drawbacks. The weight of the bike, while manageable, can feel substantial for some users, especially when navigating stairs or transporting it in a vehicle. Additionally, the assembly process may require a bit more time than anticipated, particularly for those unfamiliar with bike assembly. A detailed manual is provided, but it may take a little maneuvering to get everything just right. In conclusion, the Aipas M1 Pro electric bike is a well-rounded choice for anyone in the market for an electric bike that balances power, comfort, and functionality. With its robust build, impressive motor, and thoughtful features, this bike is perfect for commuting, leisure rides, or